What up, YouTube? It's Hank from Bikes, Bumps, and Banter, and I got something different for you guys today. So, you like to ride your bike, but you don't wear a helmet, or you wear a half helmet, or you don't want to have a pesky headset inside your helmet, but you still want to take advantage of CarPlay that the new bikes offer you? Well, I've got something to show you today. Stay tuned. Thanks for sticking around. A gentleman named Mike reached out to me the other day from a company called Tifziogu, and he had a proposition where they were going to send me a free Apple CarPlay device to try on my bike, and then they wanted me to do a review for them. I gladly accepted the free device, but I'm going to tell you now, the opinion I give is going to be my opinion. If I like it, I'm going to tell you I like it. If I don't like it, I'm going to tell you I don't like it. The first impression, the box is rather nice. It's a good sturdy box, but that's, you never judge a book by its cover. So I'm going to take the device out, lay it on my seat, show you what I've got, then I'll install it. After I have it installed, I'm going to take it for the bike for a boot around town to see how it works around town. And I've got a ride coming up where I have to go get my bike serviced, and I get roughly about 400 to 500 kilometers. So I'm looking at 240 to 300 miles with the device on, and I'll give you my opinion when I get back. So stay tuned.
Inside the box was the instructions, the little cardboard holder which held the device above the extension cable, and the USB-A to USB-C adapter.
Before we begin, I'm just going to quickly run through the menu and show you. So if we go to our settings and we go to our device manager, we'll see my connected devices. My iPhone is paired and my pack gauge is paired, but neither device at the moment is connected. There's no other device connected. So what we're going to do to get ready is we're going to get up to the add new device. Watch my hands. I'm going to connect the Tifziogu rider, and you see the blue light has come on the Tifziogu rider. I'm going to connect add new device. Comes up right off the bat. There it is, the Tifziogu rider. Going to click on it. It's going to add the device. Now, the one thing you want to do is make sure the roll of the Tifziogu rider where it's supposed to be. Right now, I'm going to say no. I don't want to do the Apple CarPlay at the moment. And to show you, so my connected devices are my iPhone and the Tifziogu rider. Currently, you can tell that it is set in the rider position because the little white icon is the full icon. Just to show you, I'm going to switch it to change it back to what the passenger would look like. So I'm going to again. So now we can see with the icon, just the silhouette in the background is highlighted, which shows you that it is set as passenger. We can look and see that my pack edge is still not connected. So we're going to go back to the Tifziogu rider, and we're going to change its role. We're going to set it back as the rider position. Now that it's in the rider position, we can go back and start Apple CarPlay. So we're going to go back. We're going to go to the CarPlay icon. Although the CarPlay icon is gray, we're going to click on it anyway. Let's go back to our connected device, our device manager. Make sure we are paired. Oh, look at that. So while I was talking to you, for some reason, my iPhone decided not to stay connected to the bike. So we're going to connect the iPhone to the bike. So it's basic troubleshooting. If you don't have Apple CarPlay, one of your two devices is probably not connected. We're going to go back. We're going to go to CarPlay, although it is grayed out. We're going to click on it anyway. We can see it's connected to iPhone. And there we go. Apple CarPlay is now up and running. We have the full features of Apple CarPlay. If I had music, I could play music for you, but I don't have music on this phone because I use my memory stick. If someone was to send me a text, we should be able to hit the text and hear it. I don't have any text not played, so no, there's nothing I can play right now. If we go to maps, you'll see we have full maps. Even with, if you excuse my hand coming out the front, we can zip around the maps. We can pinch to zoom. So yeah, that's it. It was very easy to connect inside the drawer. I haven't used the pass-through yet. I'm not going to try the pass-through. I've got a big trip coming up. I got roughly about 500 kilometers. I'm going to ride the entire time with this device connected for my Apple CarPlay and to see how it works. And once I get back, I'll let you guys know. So that's the install in a nutshell. All right, so I just got back from a 500K road trip, and I used the Apple CarPlay bypass device the entire time, and it worked without a hitch. My Google Maps showed the entire time. It never cut out. The only issue I would see is because I do text to talk, and it would be hard to do talking to text with this device because I don't have a mic. As you guys do know, though, when I do ride with my wife, I wear my Cardo so we can talk back and forth all the time. I do like the device. I was out with a half helmet a couple trips as well, and I was using the CarPlay bypass device, and it worked great. The pros for this device is the ease of the setup. You saw how easy it was. As long as you remember to take the device and put it as the primary headset for the rider. Its size, it's nice and small. It comes with a couple of extra accessories, and it has the USB pass-through. I never tried the USB pass-through. I may give that a shot later. Really, for the device itself, it's all pros. I haven't figured a con out yet. The only real con is trying to say this name. I would say Tifziogu when I read it, so that's what I'm going to call it. I'm going to put a link down below for it. If you guys want to go check it out, go ahead. And if you do end up buying one, let me know how it went. And as I always say, keep your rubber side down, keep your shiny side up, and stay frosty, my friends. Oh, and I'll catch you guys later.